Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel Gracious Womanhood। मेरा नाम है नीलिमा गुप्ता और आज फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरे इस चैनल पर। Before starting the video, I just want to ask you all that if you like the video, hit like, comment down for any queries and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is right over here. So without any further ado, let's start with the video now. Born as a girl, we have to go through this beautiful monthly cycle. There comes in a phase wherein we discover our inner self, we discover our inner strength, and we get to know about our inner body. So to carry it on in a very smooth way, we need to also maintain our proper hygiene, and for that I have come upon with this great product, I would say, that I recently discovered. I will also say that I have not been using it for too long, but it's been 2 months that I started using this, and this is my third purchase, my third box that I'm just going to share with you all. So here is the product in front of you all. This is Menarche's sanitary napkins, and they also say that change is good. Why change is important and is significant in one's life? Because we just cannot stick to something which we have been using or doing for quite some time. We definitely need to bring some change in our lives, and that is why I also felt like I have to shift from my regular sanitary napkins to something new, to something more hygienic and more comfortable to me. So I switched on. I discovered this particular box on Amazon. A link I'm going to put in my description box. And after using it for 2 consecutive months, this is the third time I have already, pre-ordered my product, and I have received it. And this is the perfect time when I can share my personal experience with this one. These are Menarche's sanitary napkins. These are 15 sanitary pads inside the box. Now, what the company claims over here is super soft now and super dry after. Absorbency as high as 150 ml. Ultra thin with leak guard wings. Natural odor neutralizer. Antibacterial, rash and sweat free. Really needed. Toxin, paraben and chlorine free. Again, you have something with you which actually a company that says that periods are pride, and I truly believe in that, because you actually discover your inner strength in it. Why Menarche? I just want to tell you why they have this product. I'll be going in a little detail. So why Menarche? Unmatched quality for unmatched personality like you. Oh, that's catch. Our super thin, soft and allergy-free sanitary pads let you focus on what's worth your focus. Trusted and reliable innovation for your freedom, and spreading smiles by being socially responsible, keeping you and environment safe. Okay guys, one thing I want to mention you, why they have put this Menarche as their tagline. This I got to know because I just searched it over Google, that what is the particular meaning about this. So this is something that means the first menstrual cycle that women gets, and also this is a festival which is followed in South India or southern part of India. So when a girl gets her first periods, they celebrate it in a very grand way, and that celebration in itself means that a girl, that everybody's proud that she has finally got her periods, and that is why the company has put this name, and I really liked it. These are 15 sanitary napkins which are packed. I'll just show you one of them in such a good way, and you can also just dispose of your napkin after the use in this particular bag. So this comes in this cute little pouch with the pad inside. I'll just open the one for you. This is how the pad looks like from inside. Ultra thin, believe me guys, and super absorbable. So basically they have these 2 colors when you'll open the box. What is the reason behind that? And it is written and mentioned over here that 10 of the pads of 280 mm are for high flow, and 5 pads for 240 mm are for low flow. So in the starting days of periods, I guess 1 to 3 days, you can go ahead with the darker ones, and for the rest of the days you can go ahead with the lighter one. Now, sharing my own personal experience with you all. As I told you earlier also, I just wanted to shift from the regular companies which I have been using since, you know, I had my first periods, and I just wanted to shift to something new, something more comfortable, because I'm not comfortable in the regular pads that I get from the market. So I just wanted to shift with that, and also I wanted to go in that, you know, proper budget range. And this I discovered. So these are 15 pads for 299 rupees, which is a deal if you want to go for something like this, something really light and comfortable without any chlorine, paraben or any kind of chemical. So you all know that the regular pads which are available in the market, they definitely have a lot of, you know, that perfume smell. So that is all the chemical that is put inside, and I don't think we need to, you know, just put something which we can be allergic to. So instead of that, I wanted to go for something really safe, because this is about my personal hygiene and I cannot just take any sort of risk with it. So when I started using the same, on the first day itself, I did not find any single drop of leakage. You know, it was so comfortable. I am not the person who goes for tampons or, you know, those menstrual cups that are there in the market these days, but rather I prefer sanitary napkins, but a good quality one. So that is why on the first day itself, I just got to know that this is going to be a deal for me, that I purchased. And okay, second thing is that this is super dry. When you use it, you do not feel that you know, wet effect that you feel using regular pads. So I definitely didn't feel any of that. Also, this has natural odor. Now, there is no artificial perfume smell that you get in while using this. It is very much natural. It will not, you know, it will not give you that particular irritation when you get when you're on your periods and you have put on a pad with a kind of fragrance that you get out of it. So this has natural odor. Third is that this is antibacterial, rashes and sweat free. This was something that I really required. We all know that it is too you know, it gets messed up down there when you are on your periods, and I have not got, like, the last time I used it, I did not get any sort of rash or irritation on my skin. So I really need to keep myself clean, and I need to keep myself hygienic in order to continue my life in a more healthier manner. So that is why I chose this particular product, which I found on Amazon. The link I'm going to put in my description box. This is ultra thin, ultra light, easy to use, really comfortable, with a natural odor. So that is all for the product review that I did today. I obviously come with all the products which have been beneficial to me in some or the other way, and which I like the most. Not all the products that I use are shown over here on my YouTube channel, but something which I like the most, I definitely want to share it with my extended YouTube family. So thank you so much, guys. Keep following, keep spreading love and happiness, which is most required in this, you know, phase of 2020. Thank you so much. Have a good day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.